The Milwaukee M18 red exterior rotary laser. Impact protected, simplified setup. With reinforced housing, this laser can withstand drops up to 1.5 meters and tripod tips up to 2 meters. The red exterior rotary laser prevents beam interference with other lasers by using its unique masking shutters. The masking shutters provide uninterrupted work for you and others while numerous lasers are active on the job site. The red exterior laser saves time with one-button setup, delivering the accuracy you depend on. Milwaukee M18 red exterior rotary laser. Impact protected, simplified setup.